Hey everybody, I'm John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Today we will be doing butterfly chicken on the Weber kettle, so stick around, let's get it. All right, so here are a couple of our drumsticks that we are going to butterfly. You know, I've seen this happen a couple of times online. I just yet to try it. I mean, I know it has nothing to do with the taste, but I'm sure it's a lot easier to eat. So we're gonna go ahead and butterfly a couple of these on camera. I will do the rest off camera, and then we will get them seasoned and ready to go on the Weber. So you'll just find the middle and just cut along there. And then you'll find the bone inside and just go to one side of it. And you'll find the other side, cut, and then just open it up like so. It's butterfly, so we'll do one more here. Just cut along your bone. Nice deep cut. Open it up, find the one side of your bone, run down that side, down your other side there, and it opens up like so. So I will finish the rest of these off camera, and then I'll bring you back when we get ready to season. All right, everybody, we have these cut and ready to go. So the first step, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil. Thanks, Tom Garvey. Just use this for a binder before we get our seasoning on. Just rub down both sides. This will help with the skin as well. All right, and the season I'll be using today is the Competition Bird Shake by Uncle Steve. This is a great rub. If you guys hadn't tried it, definitely pick you up some. I will have his link in my description if you want to get some. So we'll get these ready to go. Real nice coat on both sides. All right, those look good to me. I will head outside and get the Weber set up, and I will bring you guys out there for that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are outside where the magic happens. We are about to get the Weber kettle set up. The cook today, I will be doing an indirect and a direct zone. You know, I'm gonna be rocking that good charcoal for this cook. That is the official charcoal of Salt, Pepper, and Fire. But yeah, we're gonna get this set up with the indirect and a direct zone. My plan is to get it to around 375. We're gonna put the chicken on the direct side to get a good sear on it. Then we're gonna pull it back over to the indirect side to finish off at around 170. So we're gonna get this set up, and I will bring you back when we're ready. All right, so we are cruising along at about 375. Let's go ahead and get these butterfly drums over some fire. Okay, so while these drums are on the direct side, I'm gonna flip them every 2 to 3 minutes so they won't burn until we go back over to the indirect side. All right, as you can see, we went ahead and flipped to the indirect side. We got a nice char on them, so we are just waiting till they get up to about 170, 175, and then when we pull these off, we'll just continue to watch them and flip them till we get the temperature. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are sitting at about 160 on these drums. We're gonna let them get up to 170, 175, so we have a little bit to go. So we're just gonna continue to let it do its thing, and we will come back when we're ready. All right, so our butterfly drumsticks are just about up to temp. We're gonna let them go a few more minutes, but the next time you see me, we will be inside on the cutting board, so stick around and I'll bring you back in. All right, so the chicken is done. You guys seen the drive-by, but what is chicken without Alabama white sauce? So we are gonna dunk one of these boys and it's on. You can't beat that. All right, let's give this thing a taste. Words can't describe how good that is. I wish every one of you were here to be able to taste this. All right, guys, I want to thank you for stopping by the channel again. Please like this video, share it, give me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna do a little bit of a recap before we get out of here. So we took the chicken out, we butterflied it by cutting down the middle and on each side of the bone. We put a little bit of olive oil on it as a binder. Then we seasoned it up with Uncle Steve's competition bird shake. We got it on the grill at 375. We let it go until it was ready and you saw the results. So again, thank you for coming by the channel. I appreciate it. And until next time, we'll see you guys.